Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to turn off syncing in Gmail on your Android device. This feature can be useful if you want to save battery life, or if you're having syncing issues with your Gmail account. To get started, make sure that you have the Gmail app installed on your Android device and that you're logged in. Once you're in, look for the menu button in the top left-hand corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on the menu button and a menu will appear. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu and tap on Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can customize your Gmail settings. Choose the account that you want to turn off syncing for. Scroll down the page until you see the Sync Gmail option. Tap on it to uncheck the box and turn off the feature. And that's it. That's how you turn off syncing in Gmail on your Android device. Now, you won't receive any new emails or notifications until you manually refresh your inbox. This feature can be very useful if you want to save battery life, or if you're having trouble with syncing your Gmail account. However, keep in mind that you won't receive any new emails or notifications until you manually refresh your inbox. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.